if I said who will be the team representing the Big Ten in the let's say a team makes the playoffs, that team is who?
Yeah. It's Badgers or bust.
So Ohio State can't get in there, in your opinion?
I don't think they can get in there. I think the top 7 teams are the 7 teams that can get in. Now, obviously, we can have, craziness, but I just think you look at Miami, who's undefeated. Obviously, they're in the ACC championship game. So is Clemson. One of those 2 teams are automatically in. Auburn and Alabama. Now, you could throw the wrench in there with Auburn, Alabama playing each other, then playing Georgia. Mm-hmm. They could lose, but if Georgia does that, now Georgia's in. So I think the pieces above them. Listen, Oklahoma. If Oklahoma, think about Ohio State. If Oklahoma slips up again, Dan, Oklahoma still beat Ohio State by double digits at their place.
Yeah.
So you still have that as a feather in the cap. I think the top 7 of the teams you look at and say that one of those 4 teams or one of those 7 teams are all 4 of those teams are going to be in the Final Four.
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune to Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV or download the Dan Patrick Show app.